What are you doing?
Well.
Just make us some snow.
Yeah, to the hammer time.
Snow. Ah!
Yeah. Okay, now you have one with me.
Time for the snow fight.
No, let me keep it.
Come on, I'll make you some more.
Come on, snowball fight, Mandy. This is practice for tomorrow.
There's way more snow left. I just noticed that.
Come on. Whoa, she's good.
You guys get closer. I can't get you both in the frame.
Take him.
Will you please get closer together?
Oh.